Good stuff. Let's do some stuff. Okay. Hey guys, today I'm going to record a really quick video. My mom's car has trouble starting, and I'm going to show you a couple of reasons why your car might not start. And by start, I mean crank. So turn the key, put it all the way, and it's trying to start or just clicking. Let me show you what's going on with my mom's car, alright? Of course, when I record it, it starts, no problem. See that hesitation there? That's what I'm talking about. And then the gauges are also wiggling a bit, which is telling me that we have a voltage problem. Let's go pop the hood. One really good thing you should do whenever you have any kind of starting problem with your car is check your battery cables, you know. And all it really takes is a wiggle, make sure they're not moving. And whoops, yeah, that's a bit, just a little bit loose. This bolt's already maxed out. I tried tightening it already and it's just already maxed out. So what do you do with this? It doesn't look like you can just unbolt it, right? Well, you go to any auto parts store. You can go to any auto parts store and you get yourself one of these guys, battery terminals. Make sure it's not a marine battery terminal, though they're a little bit different. They don't get as much contact. These are usually made out of lead and they have very good connectivity. I never have any problems with them. All we got to do really is disconnect the terminal. We just got to cut it right here. Shave a little bit of the skin off here. Make sure there's enough room to pull it in, because you don't want to cut it too much. Try to cut as close as you can to the old connector. And all you really got to do is take this thing, there's a little gap right there, and just sandwich the wire in between these two, between this plate and this terminal. And you just crank this sucker down and it should be tight. So let's get to it. Get yourself some cutters. Cut the sucker right off. And with these I can kind of just give it a light. Give my left hand for this, let's see. Just give it a light grip and just kind of go around with it, and you can actually take the insulation off. Oh, just gotta slide it off. Cut through the copper. This guy's loose enough. Sandwich this in between. Piston it up helps. Try to get all the strands in it and just start tightening that sucker down. You can do this with a pair of like adjustables. Try not to make a lot of contact with the battery, just because it can spark and it's not good for your computer either in your car. Then use two bolts evenly as you go and just get as tight as you can. Don't go crazy with it, but it's really easy to strip these holes. That's nice and tight. All you gotta do is wedge this on. Maybe a nice tight fit right there. Trying to go too tight because it's somewhat easier with the battery terminal off. But if it's moving around, you gotta go tighter. I have to actually get that wrench. I'm actually gonna go flip this bolt over. Just make it easier to get on and off. Nope, this one does not let me do that. Most ones would, but this one's not letting me do it. Way easier with the right size. This is a metric bolt, I think. The 9/16 is too small and the 1/2 is too big. Usually the opposite problem for me. There we go, that's tight. Really want to crank down on this, but again, try to hold the post because it will try to bend on you. Now this will not move at all with 2 hands. Still a little weak. Maybe it needs a battery. Cage is still being weird. There she goes. It's also possible because that terminal was loose for so long that the alternator wasn't properly charging the battery. So I'm going to let it run for a little bit and then try starting it later. So I'm going to pause you guys for a second and I'll bring you back. Oh, that was nice. One more time just for good luck. Beautiful. Just to give you guys an idea of what kind of cars you can do this to. It's not just an 06 Xterra, some old car you can do this to. I actually did it to this newer Nissan Maxima or Ultima, or whatever it is. But it's my brother-in-law's car. He was having the same problem. And I replaced both his terminals for him. So this being a newer car, it tends to be a little bit more complicated. Newer cars, they are very, very picky on how much amperage is going through them and how much voltage is going to them. If it's not getting an exact amount, they just really want to do weird stuff. This car was, the lights were going on and it wouldn't start. You put a jump pack on it, it sometimes will start. So replace both the terminals. These ones you get in a pair, any auto parts store. It just so happens that the Xterra only needed one, so I only put one. But they're on tight. The only thing with these ones where they're black and red is if you're doing something like this where you're not putting the cable through it and you gotta have to sandwich the plate in between it, you really need to clean off any of the paint that's on the other side of this and really clean the plate that you're doing this to. This car has been running good ever since. And that's really all there is to it, guys. I know this is a short video, but it's not a lot to do right now with Corona. But things are getting better and things are looking up. So I'm hopefully be getting some content for you guys. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want, if I want more Miata content, or if you want more DIY stuff on, you know, any family member's car that I have, or if you guys have any questions. I'm going to be very vigilant and I'm going to try to answer any questions you have. So please stay safe out there, guys, and have an awesome day. Bye.